Good morning, students. You will get everything in your life. Today, let us learn about lesson 4 electricity. Importance of electricity. Electricity is one of the most important blessings that science has given to mankind. It has also become a part of the modern life, and one cannot think of a world without it. It is used for lighting rooms, working fans, and domestic appliances, like using electric stoves, AC, and more. All this provide comfort life to the peoples. You know very well all the objects made up of atoms and molecules. These atoms are made up of proton, electron, and neutrons. The proton and neutrons are placed at the center of the atom, which is called the nucleus. The electrons moves around the nucleus. Here, these electrons possesses some energy. Here, the neutrons does not have any charge, and protons are positive charge and electrons are negative charge. In this place, electrons circles the nucleus as opposite charges attract each other. The electrons moves from one atom to another. Thus, electricity is produced when the proton and electron interact each other. It's mainly the flow of electrons. The electricity is of two forms: static electricity and current electricity. Now we are going to see the current electricity alone. Before that, we will see some history of electricity. The word electricity is derived from electrons, which means amber. It was introduced by William Kepler. He also discovered the science of magnetism. Benjamin Franklin found that the lightning was electrical by doing his kite experiment. So he stated that the electric charge is of two forms, one is a positive, another one is a negative. Alexandro Volta. He invented electric battery. It was the first named as voltaic pile. For his contributions to the science, the unit of electric potential is named as volt. Michael Faraday. He was another greatest scientist. He has made major discoveries in the field of electricity. One of his finest discovery is electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction is nothing but varying magnetic field produce electricity in non-electric circuits. He also developed electric motor. Thomas Alva Edison. He was one more greatest scientist who invented electric bulb. This invention was an important milestone in the field of electricity. Thomas Alva Edison was introduced the direct current system of generating power. Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla invented the alternating current system. Nowadays, we are using alternating current in common. What is electricity? Electricity is the presence and flow of electric charges. Its best known form is the flow of electrons through the conductors such as copper wires. How to understand electric current? Atoms in the conductor consists of free electrons that moves gently between the atoms. The movement of these electrons in the atoms are irregular and undirected. This means that there is no flow in any particular directions. When we apply the voltage to the conductor, these free electrons moves in the same directions and thus creates the electric current. So the current is the flow of electrons, the charged particles through a conducting medium. What is electric current? The motion of electric charges through a conductor will constitute an electric current. Electric current passes from the positive terminal of a battery to the negative terminal of the battery through a wire. Here, the positive terminal means higher potential. The negative terminal means the lower potential of the battery. Definitions of electric current. We want to define the electric current. The rate of flow of charges in a conductor. How to understand the statements? the amount of charges flowing in any area of the cross sections of a conductor in unit time. How to express the electric current? I equal to Q by T. Here I represents electric current, Q represents electric charge, T represents time. So what's the SI unit of electric current? The SI unit of electric current is ampere. The unit of electric charge is coulomb. The unit of time is seconds. How do indicates the directions of the electric current? We know that the flow of water through a channel or flow of air from a region of high pressure to a region of low pressure. From that we can easily understand there is a potential difference required for the flowing. So the potential difference required for the flow of the charges is provided by the battery. Actually, the electron flow from a negative terminal to the positive terminal of the battery. By the convention, the directions of the current is taken as a directions of flow of the positive charges are opposite to the directions of the flow of the electrons. So it's called as a conventional electric current. So the conventional electric current is taken as the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery. The unit of electric current is ampere. So we must want to know about ampere. What is 1 ampere? The current flowing through a conductor is said to be 1 ampere when a charge of 1 coulomb flows across any cross sections of a conductor in 1 second. So we have to write 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb by 1 seconds. The unit of electric charge is coulomb. The unit of charge is coulomb. So what's the value of 1 coulomb? We want to know about that. The charge of 1 electron is so small that it makes impractical in use as a unit of electrical charges. So the coulomb is the practical unit of electrical charge we are saying. We know that the charge of one electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. When the charge is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, the number of electron equal to 1. So we have to calculate how many number of electrons will come in 1 coulomb of charges. So you have getting the answer 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons. From that 1 coulomb equal to 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons. So from that we have learned about electric current. So we are going to see one of the problem from the electric current. So what's the problem? The problem is the charge of 12 coulomb flows through a bulb in 5 seconds. What's the current through the bulb? So we have to find the given data from the questions. The charge Q equal to 12 coulomb, time T is equal to 5 seconds. Therefore, the current I equal to Q by T. You know very well about for the electric current expressions, I equal to Q by T. So charge 12 time 5. Substitute these values. We are getting the answer 2.4 ampere. Thank you very much to come and learn this video. I will put next video about potential difference, electric potential and electrical circuits. We will see once again. Thank you very much. Thank you.